Hey, folks, I'm opening this little pack of baseball cards. This card says it'll be a short B, I guess. 97 best card. There's like a slim chance. There's like a slim chance to get autographed. It claims I get autographed. Got it. Scissors. Yeah, scissors. So let's see if I find people nice. I can't remember this guy. He's right. He's called a fat pig or something. Came from Japan. Didn't really have much career. I'm pretty sure this team was part of the Yankees thing. So it's 89. Really, Donner Center. This is kind of like their top pick. I really haven't noticed his career at all. So where is this again? 1997. 1997. Jeff Bub. So this very much they look like and back. Morgan King in America, 97. This. These are numbered. Albert Brewer. Kind of tell this story. JG. And then right here, 97 for Urban Major League Baseball. I guess you can order a package. I'm not sure they're still around. So this is a short video. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching. Hope I get better.